Welcome to Chamberlain University's Irwindale campus, nestled in the San Gabriel Valley. Our campus is part of the largest pre-licensure BSN program in the U.S., offering a hands-on BSN in as few as 3 years. Explore the bustling city of Irwindale, California, affectionately dubbed the Jardin de Roca, or Garden of Rocks, or enjoy the thrill of auto racing at the Irwindale Speedway. Lobby. Begin your Chamberlain journey in the welcoming atmosphere of our admission lobby. Here you'll meet our passionate student ambassadors who are eager to share their insider tips and favorite campus spots on your personalized tour. Administrative offices and campus IT support. Navigate your academic journey with ease thanks to our on-site administrative offices and campus IT support. We're here to ensure your path to success is smooth and supported every step of the way. The Commons. Dive into the heart of campus life at the Commons. This vibrant hub buzzes with activity, offering a cozy nook for every student. Whether you're looking to collaborate on a project, dive into a new book, or just chill with friends over coffee, this is your go-to spot. Plus, with tasty treats within easy reach, it's the perfect place to fuel your campus adventures. SIMCARE Center. Step into the future of healthcare at the SIMCARE Center. Here, you'll be at the forefront of medical innovation, mastering patient care through high-stakes simulations that mirror real-world challenges. From the miracle of childbirth to the adrenaline rush of emergency scenarios, gain the confidence to lead with compassion and skill. Science Wet Lab. Immerse yourself in the microscopic world in our Science Wet Lab. With state-of-the-art equipment and intimate learning stations, you'll explore the building blocks of life and unlock the secrets of the human body. Skills Lab. Sharpen your clinical prowess in Chamberlain's state-of-the-art Skills Lab. Surrounded by cutting-edge technology and lifelike mannequins, you'll transform theoretical knowledge into hands-on expertise. Flexible open lab sessions mean you can hone your skills on your schedule, ensuring you're prepared for whatever nursing throws your way. Center for Academic Success, CAS. Elevate your study game at the CAS, where academic support meets personalized learning. Collaborate with peers or delve into solo study in our tranquil study spaces. With a fleet of tech at your fingertips and expert tutors just a question away, every study session is a step towards success. Classroom. Engage in interactive learning in our classrooms, featuring flexible setups and modern AV equipment for an immersive educational environment. South Commons. Discover your quiet corner for reflection and study in the South Commons. It's a serene space designed to inspire and focus your mind. Gym. Recharge and stay fit in our fully equipped gym. Whether you're shooting hoops, rallying on the racquetball court, or just enjoying a post-workout refresh in our modern locker rooms, it's all about balance here. Arcade and game room. Press pause on the books and hit play in our game room. Challenge friends to a friendly match or perfect your toss in a game of cornhole. With hammocks for those serene moments, it's your leisure oasis. Atrium. The atrium is a comfortable place to settle in, whether you're studying, chatting with classmates, or taking a moment to unwind. Filled with natural light and a relaxed atmosphere, it's an ideal spot to refocus and recharge. Basketball court. A little activity can go a long way in keeping you refreshed and motivated. The community basketball courts offer a great way to move, whether you're shooting hoops solo or playing a quick game with friends. Courtyard. Sometimes you just need a change of scene and some fresh air. The courtyard is a peaceful outdoor space where you can enjoy a good book, have lunch, or simply take a break. Whether you're looking for a quiet moment or a casual place to connect with friends, this is your go-to spot. Patio. Extending from the game room and cafe, the outdoor patio provides a refreshing place to unwind. Challenge your peers to a round of mini golf or take a stroll beneath the trees.